Good afternoon. We have a 2012 Jeep Patriot today, 146,000 miles. Customer's complaint is no illumination on the center console. We do have lights down here in the cup holder. He said that the lights had flickered and then went out. So what you do is pull your knob off of here, just backwards pressure to remove the center console. If you look right there, we got a bulb. It's going to be a 74. So got our new bulb here. Start the new bulb. Which can be a pain in the butt sometimes. And there we go.